Emrys, and I am a creative practitioner, interdisciplinary, and that covers poetry underpins my practice, and the poetry looking for the visual poetry in things, I think is the sort of transference to my visual work. So the activities I've had very small scale personal interactions, so conversations one-on-one, by cycling around, talking at the farm gate, I'd say, that leaning on the gate and chatting at the boundary, the plugging into existing structures, so knowing that there's only one of me, so that one-on-one takes time, whereas the plugging into existing structures would be going to a group activity that's taking place within the context of creativity in the community, because that's so broad, and then that one of me can meet many people, prompting, being a prompt at that, being the creative friend at that event. I had prompt cards for conversation and for storytelling and sharing. And then as a creative friend, being the person that was able to set up the village archive on the People's Collection for Penmachno, so a photo sharing day, the images could be scanned, uploaded, people could then shown how to do it, and they'd go away and do it themselves, so it grew without me, which is great. Leaving mirrors around, conversations and poems that had come from the interactions, engraved onto slates that came from the quarry, left around the area, so that they were reminders that people will find, inspire, to instigate something else beyond that. So a reminder of the conversation with the friend that then will lead to further action, say. I'm aware that I do like an outcome. It was great earlier when we were sharing diagrams of ways of working, that actually a way of working that I'm used to is quite linear, can be and has been and is very effective and productive and positive. And I do like an outcome. What that looks like for this, I've learned that it can be very small. Open, supportive, values-based, which gives it depth. Trusting. I think those sort of single words actually amount to what it feels like to work. Non-prescriptive, open is so open, but what is that? Well, non-prescriptive, there's no telling of what to do, but the supportive nature is there. What I've done with Dyffryn Dyfodol is recognise what my role is, and my strengths are, and then try and best implement that within the community that I had chosen to work with Dyffryn Dyfodol. And the outcome of that is the production of this little booklet of field notes for creative friends. I feel like I have become a creative friend, and yeah, so that's it. I think that as a community artist, socially engaged practice, whatever, that's my moniker now, is creative friend rather than those other terms.